How to use eBay promoted listing to sell faster. So first of all, let's open our eBay. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, you can tap on My eBay right here. Then you can tap on the list an item for selling. So simply tap on there. And in here, you can now select what kind of product you are selling. So for example, I'm going to sell laptop bags. So I'm going to search for that just like this. And in here now you can select what kind of item it really is. So you can select the brand in here. You can also select the type, color, and also compatible laptop size, compatible product line, features, and many more. So after doing that, you can either select a match, or you can simply select with continue without match. So after doing that, here what you're going to do is next thing, choose the right promoted listing formats. So what we're going to do is tap on continue, and now we have to register, of course. And after registering your all of the account, what we're going to do is then set a competitive ad rate. So for that, what we're going to do is avoid the suggested rate. eBay usually gives you a recommended ad rate, often like 8% to 15%. This will literally match with the blind customers, but it eats heavily into your profit margin. So what you're going to do is try not to select the recommended rate of the eBay. So in here, let's select our country or region and our street address, then tap on continue. And like I said, do not set a competitive ad rate. So after doing that, the next thing that you want to do is optimize your listing quality before promoting. So in here, maximize your keywords, so add as much as like keywords that you want. So previously we only added laptop bag. So what you're going to do is select all of the category that we saw on the filter. So in here, I'm going to show you guys again. Or what we're going to do is make it more specific so that your keyword will match with the exact thing that customer are looking for. And after doing that, and now group your items into campaign. So what you're going to do is create a new campaign, select simple, and filter items by category or price point, so you don't accidentally apply for a high ad rate to a follow margin items, right? So after doing all of these, you will be able to use your eBay promoted listing in order to sell your products faster. And yeah, that's it.